Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2014 Subaru Forester with a Starline Connect system. So this protects against key cloning and relay attack, has a push sequence to disarm, and can also be paired to the phone through Bluetooth. This Connect version also rings the phone if someone tries to steal the vehicle. So if you're not around, you'll park down the road, it's going to ring you and you're going to know someone's trying to steal your vehicle. So what a thief's going to experience if they copy this key, hop in and try and start the vehicle. Vehicle's going to start up and then switch straight off. Okay, they're going to be unable to drive it away, and also you're going to see in a second this phone's going to ring. There we go, Subaru Forester's giving us a call, letting us know someone's trying to steal the vehicle. So we're just going to end that call. You're going to be aware, if you're around the corner, that someone's trying to steal your vehicle. If the customer wants to drive this with just a PIN code, they keep their foot off the brake, double tap the start button to get the ignition on, go through a unique push sequence to them. But for now we have 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone and they can start the vehicle up. If they don't want to do the PIN code, don't want to waste all that time, they can just turn the Bluetooth on their connected phone. So with their phone in their pocket, next time they get in the vehicle, they just start it up, foot on the brake, start it straight away. We hear that disarm tone and the vehicle runs and they can drive it, no need to waste any time. Obviously once they leave the vehicle, their phone goes out of range. If someone tries it again within 10 seconds, sorry, after 10 seconds of leaving the vehicle, turn the ignition off, they're going to start the car up, the system's active, and you're going to see it switch straight off. Once again, this is the Starline Connect. Rings the phone if someone attempts the vehicle, has a push sequence that the customer can set up. Their unique code between 3 and 21 presses using the factory buttons, or they can just have their phone in the pocket, hop in and start. This system can also go into service mode, so we'll show you how to do it with the buttons. The phone is a simple press and hold in the app. But with the buttons, you first have to get in the car, prove that it's you with your unique push sequence. Now that the system's disarmed, we're going to press one of these buttons 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the system off, back on. We get 2 bleeps, and now the system's in valet mode. So now it's going to start up without a code. Vehicle starts up and runs. We're not going to receive a phone call to this phone. Obviously, because it's in service mode, we just want it to be a normal car, the whole system's deactivated. When you get it back from service, you want to turn the system back on. All you got to do, double tap the ignition, pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, like we have for now, get them 2 bleeps, and the system's active again. So after 10 seconds, if someone tried this, the vehicle's not going to start, and you're going to get a phone call if you don't put your push sequence in, or have your Bluetooth phone paired. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is the Starline Connect Immobiliser. Thank you.